Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing and flip through video. Today we are going to take a look at the Star Tarot by Cathy McClellan. This is the second edition, so I don't even know what the first edition looks like, so I'm excited. This was one that I bought strictly because it says second edition and I loved this. So yeah, I mean, I have no expectations going into it. However, I am a little upset with how it got packaged because we've got dents and, you know, banged up stuff going on, but it's just the box. It's okay. It's not the cards. So this retails for $34.99. So it's a little bit more on the pricier side. So hopefully it holds up to the price tag. But this says continue along your path of self-discovery through cosmic symbolism with the second edition of the Star Tarot. All right. By using 78 stunning cards and detailed guidebook, you'll gain an even deeper understanding of this world and beyond by recognizing and reconnecting to your soul's purpose and inherent gifts. Created for all readers, this book and card deck offers a heightened methodology for deeper connection to your inherent gifts and the true purpose of your soul. Explore new sections linking numerology with the major arcana as you reveal your lifetime personality, along with astrological references, 3 added spreads, and larger artwork on the cards. Explore this indispensable tool seeking infinite personality possibilities, spiritually, emotionally, mentally, and physically. Stars are full of miracles and magic. Bring the beauty of them into your life and into your heart. All right, so this is the box. Stars are full of miracles. I'm a little upset with the banged up thing, but you know, what can you do? It was not the best package, but that's all right. We're gonna get through it. It's packaged. It has a hinge and it is magnetic, so let's open her up. Ooh, okay. No ribbon, I'll allow it. So, ooh, this is a thick book. All right. Ooh, and there's color. Okay, all right. Interesting. See, okay. Ooh, is foil. Ooh, okay. Okay, I'm starting to see now where the retail price is coming from. However, I love, love, love when it's just one center pull like that. I feel like the packaging could have been better for the price tag. I feel like it could have been a little bit better. It's not that great, I'm going to be honest with you. But the cards, they might make up for that. So, and I'm, not a fan of the packaging. We're going to move on. Let's take a look at the book real fast. See if there's anything we have to know. Okay. It is full color. So, I'm not hating on the box anymore. Okay. So let's see, we have the meanings of the major, the minor, the court cards, and then finding your lifetime birth personality and soul card in the tarot. Tarot spreads. Okay, so gives you a little bit about tarot. Preface. Okay. The imagery depicted in my images was inspired by meditation, long walks in the woods, nature, my study of the tarot and spiritual subjects, as well as the influence of different cultural symbols and myths. All right. Spiritual quest to understanding your karma, destiny, and dharma. All right. Cool. All right. We're going to move on. We're going to look at the book later when we pick our cards. What we're going to do now is flip through these, and then we'll pull a card after we shuffle, after we see how they shuffle, and then we'll read from the guidebook to see how it will be when you receive this deck, if that's what you are planning on doing, purchasing this deck. Okay, so the back looks like that. Not bad. I don't hate it so far. They are not a bad thickness at all. I do love a good gilding on the edges. However, be careful when you separate them for the first time. Sometimes the gilding will stick together and you could possibly rip the card. I've destroyed I've destroyed a couple that way, even though I was careful. So just saying. All right, let's go through it. I love the dark navy blues. There we go. That one was stuck. Ooh, that's different. I like the little border there, and I like that it is borderless. There, yep, they're sticking. Okay, let's try it this way. Okay, the imagery is pretty. Not hating on it. There's a lot to look at. We're gonna get some ASMR here with the little unsticking. They're sticking, but they're not hard to get apart. I don't feel like I'm gonna destroy them. This is the cover, and I just fell in love with this cover. Head wig over here. The colors are so vibrant. Oh, gorge. Love it. Oh, okay. Look at that little, is that a lotus? I'm going to say that that's a lotus. Oh, I really like this death card. That's so well done. Interesting. I love the moon phases there. That's perfect. So bright and happy. My goodness. Okay, we're in the wands. They look like comets. Oh my gosh, this deck is adorable. I will say it's going to be frustrating because I'm a little bit frustrated with unsticking for the first time, but it should be fine after that. You just got to get the initial unstick. Oh, I love this deck. All right, so instead of a page, it's a prince. Knight. These are just so pretty, so vibrant. There's like an energy in the cards themselves. Oh, so beautiful. Oh. Wow. Even with the Five of Cups, that can usually be a little bit of a dark card. It's just so full of color. I love this. Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. Okay, so far I'm in love with this deck. Like, I think even if you paid full price for it, I see where the price tag comes from. Definitely a beautiful deck. Pentacles. It's just so much fun. Wow. I love the imagery. Oh, love the moon phases there. Wow. Is that a black tiger? A fully black tiger? Interesting. Cute. Well, there is some diversity in this deck, which is fantastic. Oh, here we go, the swords. I'm interested to see how she depicts the swords here, or how they depict the swords. I'll say that because it's a team effort. All right, here's the Three of Swords. Okay. It still has like positivity to it though. Like even though it's a sad, do you see the angels coming over to like comfort? Ah. I love this. Interesting. All of the different colors, I love. It's just so vibrant. Okay, let's shuffle. Whoop. That be user error. So it's gonna take a little bit to break them in, I think, because of the gilding, and they are a little bit on the bigger side for my hands. So, ooh. All right, let's shuffle this way. Come on, let's figure it out, hands. Yeah, shuffling it this way is fine for me. The other way, it's just, they're a little big, that's all. So let's see. Is there a card that's gonna pop out that we can read, or do we wanna pick one? Let's pick one. And we pulled the Seven of Pentacles. All right, put you there. Let's find you in the book. See how it reads. It's in the wrong spot. Okay, so it goes by aces with sixes, like, so you have to find the sevens. There it goes. So it tells you about the number 7 and the meanings behind 7. And so now we're going to look at the specific 7 of Pentacles. Okay, so it gives you the astrological, it gives you the lunar cycle, and gives you keywords. So this is finding and following your Dharma. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of info here. I don't think I want to read all of it because you guys will not want to sit through all of it, but let's just see. Let's read this here. In the image of the 7 of Pentacles, you see a maiden holding an abundant garland of harvest. At first glance, the image looks beautiful and fulfilling, but as you look closer, her eyes look up toward the waning moon as if to say, is this it? The beautiful garland is becoming heavy with outgrown ideas or lifestyle. The garland holds 6 shiny pentacles telling the story of her travels and lessons through the 6 previous pentacle cards. The 6-pointed star symbolizes the balance between fire, water, and the masculine feminine aspects in spirit matter. The 7 ascending butterflies shine with the colors of the chakras, indicating transformation and change, leading to new perspective. The butterflies pass through her heart chakra. The heart chakra holds the 7th pentacle, a 5-pointed star symbolizing the microcosm of the macrocosm in each of us, working from the heart. The heart chakra bridges the 3 lower chakras to the 3 higher spiritual chakras. As above, so below. The 7th pentacle can be seen as the alchemical vessel where base material objects are transformed into golden treasures of love for humanity. The butterflies lead the eye to the rainbow horses of dream time, shifting the consciousness to higher levels of thinking and consideration. They pass over the balsamic moon, leading thoughts to new ideas and places, as well as a cycle of evolution, or a new cycle of evolution. Okay, so I love. I was hoping that that they were going to do this, having the imagery be explained. I absolutely love that. I feel like that's so beneficial, especially when you're dealing with a new to you deck, and if you are a beginner. It's important to understand where the author and the artist were coming from in creating the imagery. And also to take into account your own intuitive thoughts with the imagery. So I absolutely would love to recommend this deck. However, I want you to know I'm not a fan of the packaging. I feel like that could have been worked on a little bit more, but the book itself is color inserted. There's some spreads in here. There's a lot of information in here. So if you're a beginner, there's the spreads. If you are a beginner, this would be absolutely fine for you to start with, to use. Any level of experience, I feel like this would be perfect. Just be careful with the gilding and know that the packaging isn't the best, but I feel like you're getting your money's worth with the book and the card quality itself. They are nice, they're gilded, they feel good in the hand. The art is just beautiful. The colors are vibrant. It's not muted. It's not, there's nothing wrong with the printing of it at all. So I will link everywhere I know that you can purchase this down in the description box below. I'm not paid. I'm not sponsored for any of these videos. If I ever were to be, I would let you know, but this is not the case for this particular deck. So am I recommending this? Yes. I feel like if you're drawn to it, I feel like this would be a great investment for you, just strictly based on the book and the cards alone. The packaging, a lot of you guys don't even keep your cards in the original packaging. So, the only reason I would, in this case, if this were my only deck, would be the fact that it is a second edition, and I would love to, keep it somewhat together. But that's neither here nor there. So, point being is, yes, it's more of an expensive price, but you're getting the quality in the cards. You're getting a lot of information in the book, and it's going to help jumpstart your learning process here. So it's fantastic. I love the imagery. It's diverse. It is, it's not as diverse as I think a lot of people would like. It's not necessarily as diverse as I would like, but if we're going based on that, anywho, I digress. I enjoy this deck. Let me know if you own it, if it's on your wish list, what you think about this deck down in the comment section below. I love hearing your opinions, your thoughts. And if there is a deck that you would like me to purchase and review, let me know down in the description box below. Check out the playlist of all of the unboxing and the reviews, so that way if there is a particular deck that you wanted me to review, it could already be there. It's getting long, this playlist. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, hit subscribe, and that notification bell on your way out of the video. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.